Morning.
My name is Todd.
Hi, everybody. Here, it's good to see your smiling faces.
I'm Yvonne One. I'm the creator of Focus Comic.
Hi, my name's Connor.
My name is Matthew.
Hi, I'm Jade.
My name is Chase. Hi, I'm Marlene.
Hi, my name is Kaylee. My name is Vanessa. My name is Maria. Hi, my name is Diesel. Hi, my name is Liam.
Hello, my name is Elijah.
Aiden.
Hi, my name is Alyssa.
My name's Jamin.
Naya.
Hi, my name is Thomas. Nehemiah.
They all have originated from comics. I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
Correct.
Focus Comic features one of the world's first autistic superheroes.
You've gotten faster. Good. You won't be able to stop me without your speed.
Betty Butter.
Not only are your lips vibrating, but your throat vibrates and it leads to your heart, which keeps you happy.
How many movies have you been in, and which movie was your favorite and why?
I've been in over 200 movies, TV, and voiceover in theater. The first film I ever did was a film called Platoon. It was about Vietnam and the war that happened over there. But we won 4 Academy Awards, and I've been working ever since. It's been a good life.
What is your favorite comics and why?
My favorite comic, I grew up reading a lot of Batman because I was an only kid, and it's somehow I just related to it, the relationship between him and Robin and having a caretaker. It makes me smile. When I'm in the studio recording, I know when I do my sessions, the stuff doesn't come out till at least a year later. But I know when I record that sometime in the future, somebody's going to be very happy. Particularly in the new Spider-Man game. It's called Spider-Man 2, and I play Venom. We are Venom. Do that.
Famous quote. We are Venom.
Kind of.
How did I do, Mr. Todd?
I give you out of a scale of 10, I give you a 7. How about that? And that 7 is pretty high considering you're not in a booth. We are Venom.
We
Oh my God.
Venom.
Mr. Tony's
What about that one, Mr. Todd?
There goes those
That's
smiles.
not a good
See what
thing.
happens?
We are dragon fruit.
We are dragon fruit.
How can you get a director's attention so maybe want to hire you in a movie or maybe a TV show or maybe you're in a video game like you are in right now?
You got to be yourself. You got to know what your strengths are, what your high notes are, what your low notes are. And then you don't worry about whether they like you. You go in, you do your job, and then you go about your day. And if they call you, they call you. And if they don't, you still know who you are. And you just keep moving on.
Okay. Thank you.
So good luck to you.
But I be able to meet you in person so you can see my real transformation voice, acting character.
Oh, that's so lovely. And where do you live?
I live in Arizona.
Well, the next time I do something with the Focus team and it's in Arizona, I'd love to meet you and each and every one of you in the room. Okay, so I can hear and see your smiles and your voice.
Yeah.
That sound
Thank
good?
you very much, Mr. Tony Todd.
My pleasure, darling.
So I wanted to ask, what's the hardest part about acting, do you think?
The hardest part is getting the job. And once you get the job, then it's just total joy. It's like a delight. But
Excuse me.
no worries. I did it the hard way. I mean, I went through college. I got my master's in theater, but it's different for everybody. Theater is my first love. Theater is live. That's when you're acting in front of people. Television is usually cheaper than movies, and movies, you're acting on the screen in your home. So it's all good to me. I hope that all of you find a direction in your life, a job that really, really activates you and makes you happy.
Mm-hmm.
I have the greatest job in the world because the things I do make people happy, and that's just no greater joy.
How hard was it to become a voice actor?
I have two kids, a boy and a girl. And when they were little, I wanted to get on a Disney movie. And it never worked out. But when my daughter went to college, I finally got Transformers, which is about robots. And I played them.
Oh, I've seen them.
What's your favorite new Marvel movie?
The Avengers, the one that's going to be the Secret War, the one's going to be in 2 parts. I'm looking forward to that. Hey, Jamin.
Show you my Family Guy impressions.
Yeah, sure.
So this one's Lois. Peter, you forgot to take out the trash, Peter.
Very good.
How long did it take you to transform your voice so good?
I don't know. It just happened. When I was in high school, I had a very high voice, kind of like this, and I was very, very shy. And then one summer, I grew like 6 inches, and my voice deepened. And then I said, "Where's my homework?" So it's just a little growth and experience in life and time. Don't worry, you all will go through changes, and you all will be magnificent.
What inspired you to get into voice acting?
My kids, like I said, when they were little, they watched every Disney movie ever made, and I wanted to be part of something that they would want to watch 100 times. So that was the start of it. And then now I'm pleasing other kids all over the world.
Because Harley Quinn is my favorite Marvel.
Oh, that's great. Can you give me an example of her voice?
She said, "Leave me alone, Joker."
Yeah, she says that.
Yeah.
Leave me alone. Joker.
Why does that say?
Have any favorite characters that you like to portray, hero or villain?
You mean in comics world? I've always been drawn to Martian Manhunter. I'd like to try that someday. I like Mr. Freeze in the Batman world. So, and I love theater. I keep telling you, theater's my thing. That's my rock. Just, be true to yourself, find your passion, and do something in life that makes you smile. That's the secret to keep going, okay? And I hope that one day I get to meet every one of you.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Mr. Todd.